Welcome back. In today's lecture, myself, Mr. Vijay Jadhav from Department of Chemistry, KTHM College, Nasik 2. In today's lecture, topics is the use of high accuracy mass measurement in combination with LCMS for the structure determination of drug metabolite. This is from interface technology applications. Already as earlier lecture we start interface technology application. This is one of the application of interface technology. In last lecture we have seen the use of largest compound analysis and LCMS for the identification of drug metabolite. Let's see in this lecture the use of high accuracy mass measurement in combination with LCMS for the structure determination of drug metabolites. One approach to drug metabolism studies is therefore to predict the molecular weight of possible metabolites of the drug under considerations. The use of reconstructed ion chromatogram to locate any components that have the appropriate molecular weights and then use MS to effect fragmentation of the protonic molecular weight cations ions from these metabolites and then to finally link the mass to charge value of the ions. Observe with ions of known structure from the parent drug or from other metabolites whose structure have been elucidated. In the previous example, it was assumed that the ions of the same nominal mass to charge ratios that appeared in the MS spectra of the protonic molecular weight cations ions from different molecules had the same structure and therefore the same atomic composition. And this assumption was borne out by the fact that this allowed in the spectra to be rationalized. This allowed the spectra to be rationalized in terms of the known metabolites of indinavir. This is not always the case, and the ability to use accurate mass measurements to confirm that certain ions do or do not have the same atomic composition would certainly be an advantage. As discussed earlier in previous chapter, the instrument most widely used for MS studies, that is the triple quadrupole and the ion trap, do not routinely have accurate mass capability for product ions. An MS instrument only relatively recently made available commercially for LCMS applications in the QTOF system, that is the combination of quadrupole mass analyzer for precursor ion selection and a time of flight analyzer for product ion detection. As described earlier in section, this instrument has the capability of providing accurate mass measurements on ions that have been fragmented in the first stage of mass spectrometry. The structure of bosentan and three of its metabolites are shown in figure 5.45, and the product ion spectra from the protonic molecular weight cations ions from these compounds in figure 5.46. This is structure of bosentan C27H29N5O6S and three of its metabolites. That is oxidation metabolites, demethylation metabolites and oxidation and demethylation metabolites. This is three metabolite of this bosentan, and the product ion spectra from this compound are shown in figure 5.46. This is a product ion spectra of this compound, this four compound 1, 2, 3, 4, and their product ion spectra. This is for A, B, this is C, and this is D. This is bosentan hydroxyphenol metabolite. This is bosentan phenolic metabolite. This is bosentan hydroxy metabolite. Here their mass to charge value 552.1917 for bosentan. This is oxidation metabolite. Their mass to charge value 568.1866. Demethylation metabolite. Their mass to charge value or molecular weight, protonic molecular weight value 538.1760. This is oxidation and demethylation metabolite. Their protonic molecular weight value 554.1709. All show an ion at mass to charge 280, which might be assumed simplistically to share the same structure. Their accurate masses determined by using QPOF quadrupole mass analyzer for precursor ion selection and time of flight analyzer for product ion detection. However, show that the ions from compound 1, this is compound 1, the ions from compound 1 and 2, have masses of 280.280.0830 and 280.0835 Dalton respectively, while those from compound 3 and compound 4 have masses of 280.0628 and 280.0633 Dalton respectively. A difference of some 20 millidalton. This is sufficient to indicate that They do not have the same atomic composition and therefore structure, and that the fragmentation of the protonic molecular weight ions from these two pairs of compounds is different. Care must be taken in the interpretation of accurate mass data. In this case, the experimentally determined value of 280.0628 and 280.0633 Dalton have a mass error of around 3.5 millidalton. With respect to the calculated mass for C14H8N4O3 of 280.0596 Dalton compared to the ions of mass to charge 280.0830 and 280.0835, which are less than 0.5 millidalton in error for the calculated mass of 280.0835 Dalton for the atomic composition of C14H10N5O2. The latter error is more typical of the values that should be obtained and prompts a further consideration of the data obtained from the first two ions. It was suggested that the ion at around mass to charge value 280.063 in fact consisted of two unresolved components of mass to charge 280.0596 and 280.0835, thus indicating that fragmentation of protonic molecular weight ion occurred in two distinct ways as shown in figure 5.47. In this figure 5.47, there is a indicating that fragmentation of protonic molecular weight ion occurred in two distinct ways. Here A and B, this is fragmentation pathways for A non-demethylated and B demethylated metabolite of bosentan reprinted by permission of Elsewhere Science from exact mass measurement of product ions. For the structural elucidation of drug metabolite with a tandem quadrupole orthogonal acceleration time of flight mass spectrometer. This is fragmentation pattern of hydroxy metabolites and phenolic metabolites. Thank you.